फिट रहना उतना मुश्किल काम नहीं है जितना कुछ लोगों को लगता है। फिटनेस की डोज आधा घंटा रोज। इस मंत्र में सभी का स्वास्थ्य, सभी का सुख छिपा हुआ है।
Hello everyone, good morning. I am Hina Bhimani and a very warm welcome to each and every one of you. So all of you get ready, keep some space around so that you can dance with me, you can stretch along with me, keep a bottle of water because you are definitely going to sweat, so you will need to have water. Keep hydrating yourself and we are going to start. So guys, what I want you all to do is to dance along with me, to stretch along with me, and also I want you all to click pictures, make videos of the songs and dance that we're doing and tag Fit India and share it on your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, so I can see, we all can see, and we all can know that you guys are all along with us doing it and staying fit. Be prepared. We are also going to do some exercises which are good for our eyes. We are going to stretch. We are going to stretch our back. Some exercises which will also help you to improve your concentration. We all are studying, and this is a break to have fun. So whenever you guys want to take a break, जब भी आप थक गए हो and आपको break की जरूरत है, तो एक ब्रेक ले लीजिए, ये सॉन्ग पर डांस कर लीजिए, warm up yourself and you are going to have lots of fun. Again, a very warm welcome to each and every one of you. Thank you Fit India for this wonderful opportunity. This is like great. हम घर पर बैठ के भी ये लॉकडाउन में ये इतना अच्छा एक्टिविटी कर रहे हैं, which is so good. So thank you Fit India, thank you CBSE board for supporting us, CISE board, Government of India, हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी जिनका ये इनिशिएटिव है, नरेंद्र मोदी जी, thank you so much for this beautiful opportunity. We all are excited, we all are having fun by this activity, and I'm seeing so many messages flowing and I'm also super excited. So guys, before we start, okay, we are going to start, we are going to be doing a warm-up song, okay? This is a fun, loving warm-up song. तो ये जो है, ये आप अकेले नहीं करेंगे. Please pull in your grandfather, grandmother, mother, father, everyone along. जो भी घर में है, सभी को लेकर आइए. Because I promise you, this song you're going to enjoy in a group. आप group में करोगे तो आपको definitely बहुत मजा आएगी. So get your friends, family, whoever is around in your house right now. Song. I'm going to change the placement of the camera so that you guys can see me well. So this is a beautiful song. This is a warm-up song. The name of this song is Tofa Tofa. So we are going to do the song, and along with me is my sister Preeti Bhimani. She is also a yoga teacher. We had a lot of fun last time, and today also we promise to have lots and lots of fun. A very warm welcome again to each and every one of you. So please
welcome to action. Kids, join in.
Woo, come on.
Elbows together, gonna reach up high and sing out loud. I'm gonna jump and clap, cause I feel real proud. Hang about, arms up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Elbows together, knees together, bottoms out, tongues out, toot-a-tap, toot-a-tap, toot-a-tap. I said a toot-a-tap, toot-a-tap. I'm gonna reach up high and sing out loud. I'm gonna jump and clap, cause I feel real proud. The end.
Woo! Woof. So this was a beautiful warm-up song. I hope you all are sweating because I am definitely sweating. So guys, you can do this dance, you can do this warm-up dance before you do any exercise, before you even want to study, because this will energize you. आपका energy level अच्छा हो जाएगा और आपको you'll feel good, you'll feel happy, and dancing is a good form of exercise. आप yoga के कुछ poses कर सकते हैं, you can dance, you can do your warm-up stretches, you can even dance on that come on song before you sit for your studies, or you are getting tired and you want to exercise. मम्मी बोल रही है exercise करो, तो मम्मी को बोलो 1 मिनट फिट इंडिया का सॉन्ग ये हम लगाकर डांस करेंगे. सो गाइस, ये फिट इंडिया के सॉन्ग पे डांस कीजिए, वीडियोस बनाइए और फिट इंडिया को टैग कीजिए और हमारे साथ शेयर कीजिए. नाउ we've been watching laptop or we've been watching the phone all the time. उससे क्या हो रहा है, हमारी eyes affect हो रही है. Our eyes are becoming red. पानी निकल रहा है. You feel like itching your eyes and it's bad for your eyesight. कंटिन्यूसली अगर आप अपने लैपटॉप पर होमवर्क कर रहे हो या आप अपने मोबाइल देख रहे हो, सो उससे आपकी आंखें खराब होगी. इसीलिए मम्मी कहती है मोबाइल छोड़ दो, लैपटॉप छोड़ दो, थोड़ी देर के लिए बंद कर दो. पूरा दिन हम अपना होमवर्क लैपटॉप पे फोन पर करते रहते हैं. सो प्लीज टेक अ ब्रेक एंड डू दिस एक्सरसाइज विथ मी, which is very, very good for our eyesight. Okay, so all of you please try this with me, and you can get your parents also, grandparents also to do this with me, because इससे उनकी आंखें भी जो है अच्छी होगी. Or if they're not around, you can teach them all these exercises and they'll be very happy. All right, so what you have to do is if you have a yoga mat, please put the yoga mat, sit on a yoga mat. When we are dancing, please take off the yoga mat. Sit with your back straight. अभी हम आंखों की एक्सरसाइज करेंगे, इसके बाद बहुत ही अच्छा स्ट्रेच करेंगे और कुछ आसन्स करेंगे. And at the last, dance party. All right. So keep your hand like this. Okay. You have to keep your hand like this. इस तरीके से. So your thumb is touching your nose. Your little finger is out. Then again your thumb is touching your little finger like this. All right. अभी जहां पर आपका लिटिल फिंगर एंड हो रहा है, वहां पर आप अपना थंब प्लेस करेंगे. What you have to do is you have to try and get your thumb towards your nose. आपको नोज के पास ले आना है. Keep looking at the tip of your thumb. Okay, the moment you see your thumb double, जैसे ही आपको 2 दिखने लगते हैं आपके thumb, that time you will stop and you will go back again. So watch me and please do this along with me. Slowly bring it closer to your nose. I can still see my thumb as single. अब तक double नहीं दिख रहा, अभी भी single है. Now I will go back because अभी मुझे double दिखने लग गया है, दो. So I will continuously look at the tip of my thumb and I will go back, looking at the tip of my thumb. I will come back to the same position. Now I'm going to turn my other hand like this. अभी ये वाला जो है, ये मैं मेरे eyebrow के बीच में ले आऊंगी. So keep looking at the tip. Keep looking at the tip of your thumb. Now I start seeing my thumb double. So I'm going to move back and I'm going to go back to the same position. And then I'm going to drop my hand down. Now this exercise is wonderful for your eyes. ये आपकी आंखों के लिए अच्छी है. अगर आपको चश्मे हैं, if you have glasses, if you do this exercise regularly, this will increase the blood circulation in your eyes. और आप रेगुलरली करते रहे, बहुत टाइम तक आप अपने लैपटॉप को या टीवी मोबाइल को नहीं देखोगे और ये एक्सरसाइज करोगे तो आपकी आई साइट, योर विजन विल improve and it will increase the blood circulation around your eyes. So please do it regularly. There's one more beautiful exercise. You have to make circles with your eyeballs. Now tell me how many of you all can do this exercise. Write in the comments, give your name, your school, and tell me how many of you all can do this. This is a very good exercise. So you have to make circle. Face nahi ghumana, you don't have to move your head, just move your eyeballs. Clockwise. And anti-clockwise. Okay, so clockwise and anti-clockwise आपको eyeballs घुमाने हैं. This is good, like I said, for your eyes. So please, all of you, I request you all, सभी के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, बच्चों के लिए, parents के लिए, grandparents के लिए, teachers के लिए. If you're watching me, you are correcting your school question answer paper, आप अपने assignments कर रहे हैं. This is a wonderful exercise which will help you to keep your vision good. Okay, so पहले हमने ये किया, फिर हमने eye circle किए, then we will look at our extreme right. Extreme right पर देखेंगे, then extreme left, then extreme right, then extreme left, then look in between your eyebrows, look at the tip of your nose, in between your eyebrows, at the tip of your nose. Please practice this exercise and tell me how many of you all can do the eye circle. It's very good for your eyes. A lot of people can't do it. बहुत सारे बच्चे, मेरी क्लास के बच्चे बहुत नहीं कर पाते because हमारी आदत नहीं होती है ये करने की, तो हमारे आई के मसल्स जो है स्टिफ होते हैं. जैसे हमारे बॉडी के मसल स्टिफ हो जाते हैं बिना वर्कआउट किए, वैसे आंखों के मसल उसकी एक्सरसाइज नहीं करेंगे तो स्टिफ हो जाएंगे. Now let's do the other fun-filled exercise. What you have to do is, see, I'm sitting right now, okay? So I'm going to stand up without touching my hand on the floor. Tell me how many of you all can do it, okay? So मैं leg को cross करके बैठी हूँ. I'm not taking the support of my hand. I'm standing up and I'm sitting down again. I'm standing up and I'm sitting down again. Last time I'm going to do it for you. I'm standing up and I'm sitting down again. So tell me how many of you all can do this. This needs a good balance. You can also try, अगर ये आप easily कर पा रहे हो, so you can try the lying down exercise, okay? Lie down on your back. Always turn to your side and lie down on your back. Okay? Get up. You're not taking the support of your hand. Stand up. Sit. Slowly lie down. Okay? Get up. Stand up. Sit. And slowly lie down. So tell me how many of you all can do this exercise. Challenge 1, A और ये B. ये कितने लोग कर सकते हैं? Write in your name, your school, and which class you are in. All right. Now going on to the next one. Okay, I want you all to stretch this. We all want to grow tall. We all want to have good height. We all want to have a good posture. So I'm going to show you one exercise. एक exercise जिससे आपका posture अच्छा होगा, जिससे आपकी height अच्छी होगी अगर आपने ये stretch regularly किया. This is a very simple आसन. I'm sure आपकी टीचर ने स्कूल में करवाया होगा आपसे. ये आसन का नाम है ताड़ आसन. Okay, so हम ताड़ आसन करेंगे, but with a twist. You have to hold in Tadasana and you have to move all over your house. Okay, so while I'm taking a round in this room, you have to go to your entire house. पूरे घर में घूम कर आइए, जहां भी space है. Kitchen में जाकर आइए, bedroom में जाकर आइए. Move around. I want you all to take a big circle and come back again. So watch me. How many of you all are doing this along with me? Tell me. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm lifting my heels up. Okay, I'm lifting my heels up and I'm walking with my heels up all around. Yeah, now you guys can see me. So my heels are up like this. Okay, my hands are up. Keeping my hands up, I'm walking. So walk with your hands up. Okay, I'm going to take a circle in this room. आप पूरे घर में ये stretch करके वापस आइए. Come back on your mat after you do this circle. Very, very good for stretching your entire body. Without dropping your heels, I want to know how many of you all could balance without dropping your heels. And I'm back again. Okay. So you don't have to drop your heels. You have to keep your heels up and you have to walk. पूरे घर का चक्कर लगा कर आइए. This is a great exercise, like I said, for your height, for stretching your body, for having a good posture. So do this every day and do this in your entire house. पूरे घर में जो है आप ये कर लीजिए. Very good exercise. If you're studying, you want to take a break. आप पढ़ के थक चुके हो, आपको break लेना है. So just do this. You'll feel definitely good. Okay. Now I'm going to show you one more exercise, which is again very good for you because we are sitting, we are studying. All our muscles become tight, and we all want to become flexible, don't we? So one stretch which is very good for improving your flexibility is this. So keep your feet joined. Okay, butterfly pose. We all love doing butterfly pose. So keep your feet joined like this. Pull your heels closer to your groin. Keep your back straight. Okay, you have to push your knees down. Now the butterfly is flying and then the butterfly is going down. So try to touch your head or your chin to your toes. Butterfly goes up and the butterfly is going down. 2. Let's do this 5 times. Butterfly is going up and it's flying and going down. 3. Butterfly is going up. It's flying and it's going down. 4. Last one, everyone. Do it along with me. And the butterfly is going down. Amazing. Now what will happen if you do this stretch? ये stretch करने से आपका blood circulation आपके inner thighs में, आपके पैरों में बढ़ जाएगा. This will help you to improve your flexibility, and then you can do a lot of other asanas well. You can do a split also if you stretch in this posture. Okay, that we'll keep it for later. Now, one more exercise I want you to do along with me, which is very, very important. Okay, this is Malasana. Okay, so have you all seen frogs? Okay, we are going to become frogs and we are going to hop like frogs. And why are we doing this? I will tell you later. So all of you all, please sit in Malasana. We are going to do a frog pose. Okay, so you have to sit like this, your heels facing each other, your toes are out. You have to join your palms like this. Keep your chest upright. Okay, this is Malasana. Okay, frog pose. Now in this posture, you have to try and hop. ये position में आपको hop करना है. 1, I'm going back so that you guys can see me. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to come 5 steps forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing. So tell me how many of you all could do this. This is great for your tummy. आपके पेट के लिए अच्छा है. पेट बहुत अच्छे से साफ हो जाएगा ये करने से. At the same time, it will exercise your legs. So tell me, okay? So I want you all to do this pose also. This is very good for your tummy. पेट साफ होगा. रोजाना करना है. Do it every day. And if you are doing it, please make videos, pictures, and tag Fit India. All right. Now going on to the next exercise. Okay. Now this exercise is also very, very good for your back and for your entire body. We are going to become aeroplanes and take a flight and hoping the coronavirus goes away soon so that we can fly and go back to our school. Are we all waiting to join our school? Do we all want to go to school? I want to go to my school. All right. So let's try this. Sit with your legs in front of you. Aise. Okay, keep your hands like this. This is the wing of the aeroplane. ये जो है, ये आपके aeroplane की wing है. So now the plane is taking a turn and it's reaching here. So try to touch your hand to your opposite toe and then The plane is turning and going to the other side. And it's coming back and it's going down and back and down and back and down and back and down and back. So this is again a great asana for all of us for stretching our back, for stretching our leg. Now the plane is landing. The plane is landing. So grab your feet, drop your head down, drop your head down, and come back. This asana is Paschimottanasana, okay? So do this, stretch so that your body becomes flexible. You warm up and then you land the aeroplane by holding your feet. Can't reach your feet? Don't worry. Grab your knees, okay? Or you can go further, try to grab your shin bone and keep going down towards your knees. And hold. Hold for 5 counts, okay? So tell me how many of y'all could land their aeroplanes? How many of y'all could do Paschimottanasana? Mujhe zarur se bataiye. All right. Now we are going to make bat. I love cricket and let's make this bat. This bat is interesting. For this bat, we have to do namaste. Last time हमने किया था उल्टा नमस्ते. पश्चिम नमस्कार है हमने जो किया था. इस बार हम आगे से नमस्ते करेंगे and we are going to say thank you to all the frontliners, all the medical staff, हमारे doctors, हमारे nurses, हमारे cops, हमारे government admins, हमारे Fit India वाले जो हमारे लिए इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं and bringing this program for us. So we are going to thank all of them by doing namaste. Thank you so much, everyone. And now we are going to make a bat, okay, by doing namaste. But this is a different kind of namaste. So watch me carefully. All right. So keep your hands in front of you like this. Then cross your hands. So my left hand is up and my right hand is down. So I'm doing this, okay. So what I did, I crossed my hand. I'm placing my one elbow on top of the other and I'm bending my hand. And now I'm joining my palms like this. Can you all do this namaste? Can you all do this namaste? This is a different namaste. Can you all do this? Now this is again very good for stretching your arms. If you're tired writing, if you're tired typing, this will help you to stretch your muscles. Okay, can you all show me how many of you all can do it? Do write your name and your school name. So do this and then, okay, imagine this is your bat. Cricket bat and you're hitting a nice shot with this. 2, 3, hitting a nice shot with this. 4, 5, 6, and 7 shots. And down. All right. So now the same thing we are going to do with the other hand up. So first we kept our left hand up. Now our right hand will go up and we will make this namaste. Tell me how many of you all can do it. I want to know. Okay. This last time was this hand up. This time we are going to place right hand up and we're going to join our palms like this. Okay, if you can't join your palms, do not stress. Okay, do as much as you can. But if you can, then wonderful. Try this. Do this namaste and again hit the ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the last shot, 7, and it's a sixer. Yay! Amazing. Again, this is a wonderful stretch for stretching your arms. Okay, इससे आपके arms stretch हो गए. This will increase the blood circulation in your arms. Very good for your posture. Your upper back will get stretched. If you have shoulder stiffness, your shoulders will become free. Amazing asana for all of us. So please, you all do it. And get your parents and grandparents also to do it. उनको अगर नहीं आ रहा है, so you guys have to help them. And now we are going to have the dance. Okay, हम dance करने वाले हैं. उसके बाद में जो है मैं आपके questions देखूंगी. So guys, be prepared. Keep some space around. We all are going to have fun. We are going to have a nice dance. All right, I'm going to move my camera up and this dance, you all are going to have fun. We have kids also along with us to join today. Please come, Preeti. Come, Anaiza and Kesha are also with us.
Say hello.
Hi.
So we are going to have fun. You guys are going to stand in the center and we are going to dance on a beautiful dance number. Again, it's kind of a dance. You all are going to have fun. Okay?
3, 2, 1.
Are we ready?
Gully, 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 dum dum dum. Dum dum, dum dum. Gully, 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 dum dum dum. Adapi, adapi. Gully, 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 dum dum dum. Adapi, adapi. Gully, 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 dum dum dum. Gully, 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 dum dum dum. Dum dum dum, dum dum. Gully, 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 dum dum dum. Adapi, adapi. Gully, 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 dum dum dum. Adapi, adapi. Gully, 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 dum dum dum.
Faster now.
Gully, 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 dum dum dum. Dum dum dum, gully, 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 dum dum dum. Adapi, adapi. Gully, 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 dum dum dum. Adapi, adapi. Gully, 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 dum dum dum.
Faster. Wonderful. So we all had fun. Thank you. Oof. So this was the surprise dance for you all. So guys, you can also do this to warm up, to have fun and repeat it. बहुत ही छोटा सा dance है, but ये आप 2-3 बार भी कर सकते हो. I love the steps. I just love those steps, guli guli and all those steps. So guys, practice this. This is a great way to have fun. Also, I want to tell you all guys, we all know about this government initiative, this आयुष मंत्रालय, आयुष मिनिस्ट्री, जो हमको बता रहा है कि हमको हमारे ट्रेडिशनल साइंस, ओके, हमारी नेचुरल रेमेडीज भी जो है हमको करनी है. So I want you all to also regularly listen to your parents. And हल्दी वाला दूध कौन पिएगा? बताइए, raise your hands. Who's going to have haldi wala doodh for strong immunity? I don't want to get sick. I don't want to fall sick. I want to have good immunity. So raise your hands and tell me how many of you all are going to have haldi wala doodh. Now, haldi, turmeric is very good for your immunity. So guys, have this every day and again, make your parents also have it if they're not having, and make your grandparents also have it. That's very, very good for your immunity. There's this very beautiful technique which is mentioned in Ayush Ministry. अगर आपके पास आरोग्य सेतु ऐप है तो उसमें भी आप पढ़ सकते हो काफी सारी चीजें. So उसमें भी जो है मेंशन किया हुआ है ऑयल पुलिंग. अभी ऑयल पुलिंग जैसा नाम है ऑयल, so you have to take oil. You can take coconut oil, you can take mustard oil, you can take sunflower oil, any oil, but coconut oil is wonderful. Coconut oil will help you a lot. So virgin cold pressed coconut oil है अगर तो आप वो ले लीजिए. What you have to do is you have to, जैसे हम mouth rinse करते हैं, पानी लेते हैं, we swish the water in our mouth and then we throw that water. Similarly, you have to take oil in your mouth. Okay, to take 1 or 2 tablespoons of oil in your mouth, swish it in your mouth in all directions. Do this for 5 minutes at least, and with practice, do it for 7 to 10 minutes. This is very, very good for your teeth. Okay, so swish it in your mouth and then spit it off. Okay, you can do this first thing in the morning before you brush your teeth, and then later you can brush your teeth. इससे क्या होगा? When you're swishing that oil in your mouth, जब भी आप ये oil से rinse कर रहे हो अपना मुंह, So, इससे जो भी आपके माउथ के अंदर जर्म्स है या अगर आपको कैविटीज हो रही है तो इससे आपकी कैविटीज जो है जल्दी से नहीं बढ़ेगी या कैविटीज जल्दी नहीं होगी, बिकॉज ये ऑयल जो है एक प्रोटेक्टिव लेयर आपके माउथ में कर देगा एंड इट विल एक्टिवेट योर टंग एंड इट विल एक्टिवेट योर एंटायर माउथ. तो उससे आपका मुंह का एक्सरसाइज भी अच्छा होगा. यू गाइस विल ग्लो एंड इट इज वेरी वेरी गुड फॉर योर टीथ. दांतों के लिए अच्छा है, दांत के हेल्थ के लिए अच्छा है, जल्दी से डीके नहीं होगे, कैविटीज नहीं आएंगी एंड आपकी इम्यूनिटी अच्छी होगी. Our mouth is the gateway of infections. Okay, हम खाना भी खाते हैं और कई बार जो है अगर इन्फेक्शन है तो हमारे माउथ से अंदर शरीर में जा सकता है. So if you stop it there by doing this oil swishing, swish it in your mouth for 5 to 7 minutes and then spit it off. This is wonderful. So tell me how many of y'all are going to do this. I'm going to do it for sure. You have to also try doing this. This is wonderful. Oil pulling इसे हम कहते हैं. You can use coconut oil if you have at home and try this. So what you can do is, all of you guys can do it. सारे बच्चे भी कर सकते हैं. It's good for your tummy. Okay, so इससे tummy आपका बाहर नहीं आएगा and it's also good for exercising your internal organs. We keep working out. हम stretches करते हैं, हम yoga आसन करते हैं, हम swimming करते हैं, but we don't focus on our internal organs जो हमारे that supports us. So this exercise is going to help you to exercise your abdominal organs. पेट के अंदर के जो भी organs है उससे stretch होगे, okay, activate होगे. The first one is this one that we did, okay, जो हमने किया Paschimottanasana, landing your aeroplane. Please do this. This is wonderful for your abdomen. And the other one is cycling. So you lie down on your back. Okay, turn to one side, lie down on your back. Okay. Place your hands under your butt and cycle. Okay, one leg down and the other leg down and down. Do this. Support your back. Okay, keep your hands under your butt. Cycling जाएंगे फिर वापस आएंगे. Then we do reverse cycling. Okay, so the cycling exercise is great for your back. It's also very good for your belly fat. तो tummy कम करना है जिनको भी, उनके लिए अच्छा है. Neck exercises, yes, very important because we are, stressing our neck. We are sitting, studying, working on our PC. We are working on our phone, so that puts a lot of strain on our neck. So let's do some good exercises for the neck. Okay, you drop your head to your shoulder like this, your ear to your shoulder. Come back in the center. Go to the other side, ear to your shoulder. Keep your shoulders down. Okay, you just drop your ear to your shoulder. Come back and do the other side, your ear to your shoulder. Come back and your ear to your shoulder. Okay, then twist, look back as if someone is calling you. So you have to twist your head, all right? Keeping your shoulders down. Don't drop your chin. Your chin will be parallel to the floor. Come back and to the other side. Come back and twist. So do this exercise every day before you sit for your studies or after you finish your studies. This will increase the blood circulation in your neck. This will stretch your neck and this will really help you if you have neck pain or you feel pain in the neck. This is a great exercise. So ear to your shoulder, this one, and twisting one. Okay, and this exercise, the Namaste exercise, is also very good for stretching your shoulders and your arms. So guys, do this along with me. All right, so that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for making this so exciting for me. I see so many messages from you all and I'm super excited to see that you all are doing with so much of interest. Itna interest leke, itne happily aap sab kar rahe ho mere saath. I'm very, very thankful to Fit India, CBSE board, CISE board, and to everyone who's supporting this Fit India movement. And to all the schools, all the teachers, parents for participating in this wonderful session. So, आप देखते रहे and keep sharing this with your friends, with your family. आप अपने friends के साथ, family के साथ जरूर से share करें so that they all can benefit from these exercises, guys. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Stay at home. Stay safe. Haldi wala doodh oil pulling zarur kijiye. Namaste. Thank you so much. Bye.